Alright, trading from mobile devices gets so popular that I'm planning to record more videos on that topic, and today I'll focus on how to use Trading 212 app in 2022 because it's one of the most popular apps in Europe if you want to be an Apple shareholder, and you will see that it is extremely easy to buy stocks from your mobile device. Just like with Bitcoin, Ethereum and cryptocurrencies, the mobile devices, the internet made it so easy for everyone to invest. Not as the good old times when one had to buy stocks from brokers and someone on the other side of the line who might be a scammer. Trading 212 is a fully regulated company. They have an FCA license, which is the Financial Conduct Authority. They have SISEC, so you don't really need to worry about your funds because they are protected. If you want to learn how to buy stocks from your mobile device, let's do it. Hi, my name is Petko Alexander. Hope you are having a great day, and in today's video I'll show you the Trading 212 app and I will explain what are the basics you need to know. Before doing that, I have to tell you that you can grab a free stock from the company if you sign up with them using the promo code PETKOA, and the stock will be valued up to 100 euro, which is pretty cool. So you can grab that opportunity at any moment. Make sure you verify your account within 7 days so you can take advantage of their promotion. Now, if I put the mobile on the side, you will see how the Trading 212 app looks like, and on the left upper corner we have the invest option and we have the CFD option. So Trading 212 CFD stands for contract for difference, and contract for difference is popular from the forex trading, which means that if you buy an asset at one level and the price goes in your favor, you can close the position and you will benefit that difference, but you don't physically own the asset. You are not owner of Apple or Google or any crypto. There is CFD trading for stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, futures, options, everything, but it is contract that we make with the broker that they will have to pay us the profit if the price goes on our favor. And contract for difference is useful if you are short selling, if you are selling euro dollar, or if you're selling Bitcoin, you can sell it at 40,000 and at 30,000 you can take the profit, and you can sell Bitcoin even you don't own it previously. Okay, this is short selling, and with stocks it is quite different because we can actually do short selling with most of the brokers, but this is CFD. With the invest, we are investing and we are trading real stocks in Trading 212, and you can see that at the moment I have a portfolio of 2,248 euro. I have some free funds. I have the option to deposit. So what are the different options to deposit? I can use a bank transfer, which is a preferable way since I won't pay any fees and commissions. I can pay with Apple Pay and I can use a credit or debit card. But one more time, the best way is to use a bank transfer or a wire transfer. And in Europe we have the SEPA, which is pretty fast, and one more time, it is free. Now, the app gives you the option to select stocks from a few different categories. At the beginning we have a watch list which you can modify. So here I have plenty of stocks that I selected to keep an eye on. I have the pencil from where I can remove any of the stocks I decide, and I can keep it that way. Then we have the popular stocks such as Tesla, Apple, Google, Coinbase, Netflix, Alibaba, Amazon, and Google is actually Alphabet, right? But these are the stocks that are most traded by the users, and there is no guarantee actually if you are trading popular stock that it will increase in time. Okay, a lot of trading volume doesn't guarantee that the price will increase in time. It's just a lot of volatility. A lot of people are buying and selling. Then we have the US stocks. So these are all stocks coming from the United States, and we have McDonald's and Coca-Cola, which makes it easy to recognize it is a stock from the US. And then we have UK stocks, Barclays, HSBC Holdings, and then we have the new on Trading 212, which means these are stocks that were recently listed. And just like with the cryptocurrencies, people like to trade new stocks that are just listed on a brokerage, because quite often we have seen stocks increasing in value before they were listed on the big brokerages, and coins increasing in value before they were listed on the huge exchanges. So you can keep an eye on those stocks that are just being listed. Udemy is right over here. And then we have ETFs, and I'm planning to dedicate a special video about ETFs. And then we have the dividend stocks, or these are companies that are paying dividends to their shareholders. And I will show you with Apple in a second. In my portfolio, I have 10 shares of Apple. I will just scroll down. I will talk about all of that information a little bit later. But if I go to history, you will see that I was paid dividend of 1.74 euro on the 11th of February because I own those 10 shares. Okay, this is a passive income that comes to my account, and you don't really need to have any trading experience or skills if you wish to receive dividends as a passive income. All you need to do is to purchase this stock, and the company will pay you those dividends. And with Apple, we have a very low dividend. If I scroll, you will see that it's just 0.51%, and we can say that an average dividend yield is somewhere between 4 and 6%. So if you invest $1 million, it means you would be getting approximately $50,000 as dividend. Or if your portfolio is about $10,000, then you are expected to receive approximately $500. But this is if you own stocks that will bring you 5% dividend yield per year. Now, if I go back to Apple, you will see that I have the option to buy and sell. Obviously today I can't do anything because it is Sunday, the market is closed. And I have a nice graph below, which is not very flexible to zoom in and out. But if you want to see, for example, what happened in the last 1 month, you just click on 1M. This stands for 1 month. And then we have on the very left side 1 day, which is the last trading day or the last trading session, which was on Friday. And then if I click on 1 week, I will see the period of the last 1 week, and then 1 month is the last 1 month, and 3 months is the last 3 months, and then 1 year is obviously where I keep it most of the time, because it gives me a nice overview where is Apple stock at the current moment. And that line over here is my average price. So I have bought 2 times, and I have an average price of $153.34. The current price is 170 something, so which means that I have gained 154 as a profit, and I have gained another 62.59 because I've been purchasing American stock, which is in dollars, but I've been purchasing with euro. My portfolio, my account is in euro, because when I decide to sell these 10 Apple stocks, I will be converting again from dollars to euro. Okay, this is very important, and this is where companies like Trading 212 make money, because I know many of you are wondering, okay, these free stock trading brokers, they offer us free stocks, we don't pay commissions, so from what they make money? One of the things is the differences between the local and the foreign currencies, and whenever you're purchasing stocks from a foreign country in a different currency, they will be profiting from the spread or the difference between the bid and the ask price in the asset pair that you are converting. Okay guys, so what we have below is the company details, which is very nice, a lot of information squeezed into one place. You don't really need to Google about the company. We have the SEO, the employees. It is located in the United States. We all know that. It's in the technology sector. And then we have some key ratios which are very important when it comes to stock trading, but I'll focus on those in another video. And then we have some financial summary, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and all of that is very important before you take a decision if you want to invest in this company or not. And whatever company I mention in my videos, guys, don't take it as a recommendation, okay? You always have to do your due diligence and decide for yourself whether or not you will be investing in stocks or crypto or NFTs or whatever I talk about. But it is really great that they have this information over here, which for me personally is more than enough, and I quite often depend on what I see here and I don't Google anything more. Now what else we have is some great socials. Like they have a feed where you can follow along what's going on with the others and what are the other users interested in. Then we have different communities which are very useful if you are a fan of dividends, for example, or if you're a fan of Tesla, or if you're a fan of NEO or penny stocks is the one they have the biggest number of members. So if I hit on join, they will ask me like, what are your interests? I will go for dividends, and let me go for Apple as well, and I will hit on done. And I will join their community about penny stocks, and you can see that there are some tweet posts, there are hot topics, and as well you can vote on the topic, you can reply. Simply said, you can spend time with the other users and see what the others are interested in. And nowadays social trading is something very important, right? We all know what happened with GameStop and how the community turned out to be stronger than a huge hedge fund. So it's not a bad idea if you spend some time in the community, not just the one we have on Trading 212, but on Reddit and Discord groups, where you will know what are the interests at the moment, in what stocks the mass of people is looking at. This way you will have a high chance of grabbing a stock that will increase quickly in value. On the bottom right hand corner you can see your referral link, so you can share it with your friends and you bot will get a free stock, just like what I told you at the beginning of the video. If you use my link below, you will get a free stock valued up to 100 euro. I will get a free stock. It's a win-win situation. Trading 212 gets a new client. That is a great way companies nowadays increase their users base. As well, we have managed funds. From here we can schedule a deposit or we can withdraw funds, and then we have videos which are very useful. I would suggest you to go through some of them because you will learn more about the Trading 212 app. And then we have the 212 hot list, which is information about how many users currently own some of the stock. Like number one is Tesla, obviously, then we have Apple and NEO. But it is nice that this is public information and we can see which stocks are most wanted. At the bottom here we have the economic calendar, where we don't have any events today since it's Sunday, but if I go back to Friday, you will see some news that are coming from Italy, Canada, Japan, and usually the economic news impact the forex market the most, but sometimes the stock market, so you can keep an eye on that. It's a super easy app to use, not a rocket science. You can easily start buying and selling real stocks from your mobile device, and I wish we had that earlier, like 10-15 years ago. At the end of the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your due diligence and decide which broker you want to use, which app you want to have on your phone, how much you will be trading with, what stocks you will be buying. And I know all of that is a headache. This is why I'll be recording more videos about trading stocks, and I will try to make it easier for you guys, but the video has educational and demonstrational purposes, so don't take it as a financial advice. At the same time, if you want to grab a free stock from Trading212, check out the link below in the description. Use the code PETCOA and you will get a free stock valued from 1 to 100 euro. And make sure you verify your account within 7 days so you will be able to use the code. I thank you very much for watching my video, and if you don't want to miss the next videos that I'll be launching, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I love you guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Cheers.